Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 131, Elements of College Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 24. This is Section 2.2, Problem 24. It says change the 15 in the matrix shown into a 1 by multiplying the row with a 15 in it times a non-zero constant. So our 15 is sort of in the middle position of the matrix. We want to multiply it times a non-zero constant. In other words, any number that's not 0. There is a 1 that lines up with the 15. Sometimes you can get a 1 by swapping the position of rows. This problem specifically says multiply times a non-zero constant. So the 15 that I have to change is in row 2, so I'm going to start an equation next to it that begins with row 2. It will equal 1 over the value that we want to change into a 1. So for this problem, 1 over 15 times the entire row. So I'm going to make a new row 2 by multiplying 1 over 15 times the old row 2. And again, 1 over the number that I want to turn into a 1. When I do this, the top row will not change. It'll say 1, 1, 1, negative 3. The middle row will change though. So times 1 over 15 is the same as divided by 15, and you could think of it either way. So to think of it in terms of being divided by 15, 0 divided by 15 will be 0. The next position is 15 divided by 15, which reduces to 1. Next we'll have 30 divided by 15, which reduces to 2. Next we'll have negative 3 divided by 15. Now I will be able to reduce that. For now I'm just going to write negative 3 divided by 15, but I really should reduce it. The bottom row will not change. 0, 6, 6, 2. Now my answer at this point is technically correct, but it's really not in the best form because that minus 3 over 15 can be reduced. 3 divides into 3 evenly, and 3 also divides into 15 evenly. So let me make another matrix off to the side. I will keep the top row 1, 1, 1, negative 3. The middle row 0, 1, 2, but this last position of the middle row, I'm going to change it to negative 1/5. Again, 3 divides into 3 once, 3 divides into 15 5 times, and because the problem was initially, the fraction was initially negative, my reduced version is also negative. The bottom row can stay the way it is, 0, 6, 6, 2, and now I'm done.